this is a crucial week for India. It is a budget week. The economic survey was released on Friday. It addressed India's stringent lockdown. It said India's pandemic response focused on saving lives and livelihoods. It said that, the 40-day period was based on a humane principle that GDP growth will return, lives won't. Now, that said, the union budget is expected to fund COVID vaccinations and other interventions that will speed up the return to normalcy, whatever that is now. Could the budget provide a way to strategize for a reimagined Indian public health system? You've touched upon this at the start of the show. The pandemic has exposed how ill-equipped India's public health ecosystem has been to handle this health emergency. At this scale, COVID-19 has added to the woes of our public health system. We were hobbled anyway by inadequate infrastructure and human resources. As a doctor, as an administrator, what do you expect from the budget? What would you like to see in the budget?
I think what we've seen in the last 1 year is that health is a very important sector when it comes to the overall development of any country. And what the pandemic really showed us was that if health gets affected, as it did in the pandemic, all other sectors also tend to get affected, because the pandemic really caused an economic loss, not only in one sector, but across the board, because of the fear that we did not have enough resources as far as the health sector was concerned. So in my mind, we have to have health at the center stage, and there has to be more and more investment in the public health sector. Bulk of the pandemic management was done in the public health sector, whether it be the preventive measures, whether it be being done at a primary health level through ASHA workers or the workers at that level, or at government hospitals, district hospitals. These hospitals need a lot of resources, they need a lot of investment. And if we are able to do that, not only will this be something that will be a boost for the economy, because very often people look at the health sector as a sector where there is investment only in terms of service rather than as an investment for economic growth. There will be economic growth if we invest in this sector. Correct. But it will also support other sectors, because we need to have a healthy nation if we need to have a vibrant and economically forward-moving nation. The second important thing that I would like to say is that it also showed that how important it is, especially in the health sector, for us to be self-reliant. We had a situation where a large number of our equipment, large number of things that are required in the health sector were being imported. We need to develop a strategy where good research and development is done here. There is a good environment for investment in health equipment, health manufacturing, and we must promote research in the health area, because that is something that could take the nation forward. One of the biggest good examples that we have is the research that has been done in vaccines. Correct. India is now in a very good position in terms of vaccines because of the fact that we are able to make our own vaccines and provide it for our own country. There is this whole problem that is happening in Europe because of the fact that vaccine production is becoming an issue there. So if we become more self-reliant, both in research, development, and we are already very good in the pharma industry, I think this will not only give a boost to the economy, but will lead to a very, very healthy nation. Therefore, the public sector needs to be really built in a big way.